Just in case, we're gonna see if we can get some lightning here. It's just in case we get lightning. So we can get lightning. That's when. Look at that. That's what it looks like down on. That's what it looks like down on Crawford. Like, that's what it looks like down on Crawford. Well, no, I mean Prescott. That's what it looks like on Prescott. I think there's lightning down there. The storm looks like they're going east of us, though, so. Yep, that's what it looks like down on Prescott. Get a more view of it. Stand right here. That's what it looks like. Gee, Merry Christmas. That is a beast. Yeah, right now is about 4:01 in the afternoon right now, and this storm is starting to head to Salina, Kansas. Share. Share this video with a friend or something, because this is crazy. Gee, Merry Christmas. What a beast! That is a beast. I think that's like the edge of the storm. I see rotation in that. Can you guys see rotation in this? Both ways. Or cross in here. Can you guys see rotation? I need to do something here. There we go. Look at that. Oh my god. It's going east of us, but it's also coming towards us. You can slowly see the clouds moving. Holy crap. Look down there. Up there. We might have some hail with this. I don't know if we are. Holy crap. It is definitely coming. Okay, I'm gonna stop the video.